gave you in the hotel in Tenerife, color pink. It's called the Ritz-Carlton Banana.
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 The Ritz-Carlton Banana. Here we are in the Ritz-Carlton Obama. It has a absolutely stunning reception area. Got the bar here, and then to the side there is a small cafe as well where you can order cakes and drinks.
My bed.
Oh, we've got a very nice room with a balcony that looks out onto the golf course. We have the bathroom, the huge bath, toilet, and the shower, and the very nice toiletries that we like. We have the super king bed, another bed, got the TV, we have a sitting area, and then outside we have a balcony, terrace, that goes out onto a small garden. What do we think of the room?
Good. This is my bed.
We're here at the beach. The service in this hotel is exceptional. We just missed the train which takes you down from the main hotel, so they gave us a car and took us down in the car. This is what makes the Ritz-Carlton Obama a very special hotel. Just paradise. So beautiful.
We're gonna go to the deep now. Oh, bye! Let's explore fishes. 3, 2, 1, and... There's no fish. I can't stand it.
The beach isn't private to the hotel, but it tends to be quite quiet, and in the hotel you can have the sun loungers. What could be better than a cafe con leche, a comfortable sun lounger, a white sand beach on a Thursday? And here are the rock pools, which are just at the side of the beach. Going to have lunch at the beach club. We have ceviche, hamburguesa, croquetas, pasta, more croquetas, more chips, and a mojito, the most important thing. The ceviche is incredible. How's the burger? How's the pasta?
Good.
What is it?
Brownie is brownie with ice cream vanilla.
Here comes the train. Unfortunately, the main pool is closed for refurbishment, which is a bit of a shame because we love the main pool, but we have this one instead. Sadly, the lagoon pool is not going to be ready till August. People are not happy. We're now in the villas part of the hotel. So at the top is the Citadel where you have our room. And then you have these rooms which are villas and they also have a swimming pool. So we're going to go and check out the swimming pool here. This is the pool that belongs to the villa rooms, but it's open for the rest of the resort because the main lagoon pool is closed.
Goodbye for a night.
We're here at the breakfast buffet. Arlo wants to know what the salmon roe is. We don't really want salmon roe for breakfast. The cold meats, and cheeses, lots of cereals. It's a massive buffet. This is a very, 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 very bad breakfast. Okay, I've got the detox juice, which we might need after all the marshmallows and Nutella. And there's lots of other juices as well to choose from. Arlo's going for the fruit, a good choice. Emma's got the smiley face, bacon and eggs, and I don't even know what that is, but it's not good. Arlo's a healthy, he's got fruit.
Mama, can I feed them?
I don't think we should really be feeding them croissant, but who knows. They're following us now, oh god. They like croissant. Let's go and check out the fitness centre. So it has a really big fitness centre, and I really like this area outside that you can work out in. It has the spinning bikes, the bars and the kettlebells. Now I've got an appointment at the spa. Spa is just near the gym. I'm going to head down these stairs and we'll be there. Okay, so I'm in the waiting area of the spa. This is the new kids club, but I don't think it's open yet. We're going to go and see if we can find the kids club.
How many floors? Hello, bye-bye. So we're going out to the kids club and there's a PlayStation. We went there yesterday.
So they've got a few shops here in the main part of the Citadel, which are next to the bar. And another one here.
I give this definitely 10 roses because it's the best hotel I've ever been. I like it so much because it's so beautiful. It's my favorite color pink. I like the pools. I like the kids club. It's amazing, and the food is absolutely amazing.
I love this hotel as well. It's one of my favourite places. I think it's the best hotel in the Canary Islands, in my opinion. A bit disappointed this time because some of the facilities have been closed, the main pool, they're refurbishing the kids club. But what makes the difference here is the service.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.